Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a small dining set, a six-seater dining set for you. But there is a very interesting thing about this one. This is a completely choice wala part, as I always discuss. I personally have designed this one, so I can tell you what all we have in this. This is a hexagon shape unit, as you can see on the top. It has got six sides, and the client has a specific size dimensions. If I remember, this diagonal part is 48 inches, 4 feet, and then this part is different, and the size of each side was given, and accordingly we have designed it. The artisan was getting really confused because he was making some drawing, and this entire structure wasn't getting properly designed in that particular fashion, in particular style that the client wanted. So I sat with him, I got this completely designed, and finally we got the exact dimensions that client wanted. We made the exact dimensions and then we sent it to the client for approval. The client approved it and we created it. The lower part is a pillar. When we normally have a round dining, this is a round dining style, so hexagon is just part of it. So generally we have a pillar underneath, and again the pillar, you can see, very finely crafted and heavy carving on the pillar as well. The basic part about this dining table is client wanted something specific, the sizes, the design, everything, and we made it like he wanted. And this is what we try to do here. When you are taking so much time to design your stuff, we will take more time and make it exactly like this, how you want it. And this is what we try our level best. Exact may not be the right word, but the maximum we can match, we do that. Generally the drawing on paper and the actual unit differs a little, but yes, dimensions are exact what the client wanted. It has got six chairs, back is 4 feet, and you can see a simpler design of chair as per what we are doing in natural finish, teak wood, high gloss, and a beautiful damask fabric with the golden pattern. You can see here, this is a single side carving, so we don't have any carving at the back, a plain design at the back, but overall a good design, a fine design in teak wood with teak wood finish, and the client's choice part, as I mentioned. So choice can be for size, design. For the colors of the unit, colors can be natural finish and polish can be darker, a little lighter shade, or cherry or mahogany, a little reddish. All these are polished colors. Then you can go for paint colors, and paint has unlimited choices. It can be gold and silver and copper, rose gold and white and satin white, marble white, off white, and then there are all the other options like triple shade, dual shade, champagne, rush gold, and gold leafing, silver leafing. There are the other options, and we have done all that in thousands of videos I have made. We have uploaded on YouTube and on Instagram or Twitter, Facebook, everywhere on the social media, on Pinterest. You can find us. All these stuff that you're looking at, we have done, we have made it as per the client's requirement and delivered to client's home in India and out of India to 55 countries. The best part is we are working with local people in a small town, generating work for the local people, making all this, the artisans, the carpenters, the painters, the polish people, the packing people, transport people. So many people are involved to make one unit for you, one set for you. They all get work and money flows in the economy. Check our testimonial section, check our website aarsunwoods.com. You will find thousands of designs, so much work that we have done. Check the YouTube videos or check simply Aarsun on Google. You can see what we have done, what we are doing, what people are liking, how they are designing their homes, how the architects, the interior designers are making new designs with the computers and even hand and artificial intelligence as well, AI. So you select, we make and deliver to your home at factory price with the quality of Aarsun. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.